And, uh,
I told your bitch to give, and if you don't, then I'ma take. You better ask your bitch no beat, but if it was screaming rape. You niggas better ask about me. I get the cake, and I'll take it, bitch, about a wallet if she don't give me space. I need it all, bitch. You can't talk for free. I need everything, bitch. I need wallets and all these, all the fees, bitch. And if you can't tease, bitch, well, I make it give like the motherfucker did this and did this. Motherfucker dig this. It's the boy Jay Gillum. When I rap with Ish. And it's the Ish boy, not the new shit. But I make it bitch clap like the bitch was on mitts. Gotta give, and if it don't, then what? So give, my niggas get the bucks. Gives a fuck, my niggas, I stay wildin'. Stick an island, nigga, fucking with mildin' niggas. Wildin' niggas. Get the paper, G. And if you don't cake paper, will you fake with me? Don't fake with me, nigga, I'm never phony. I'm so authentic, you niggas better actually be homie.
Alright. Yeah, that's some new shit for you. Yeah, coming straight off the motherfucking 206ness, you dig? That's that KIP, keeping it pimpin', you dig? Holla at your boy. I'm gonna, go and put this down. So, this is what it is, and this is what it do.